So career with Songbird means to me, it means a great community, which we have here, really supportive staff network, great team leaders, and the houses themselves and the clients are all amazing, and community engagement is a really big thing with this company, which I really love. So we're always out and about in the community, having a great time and getting the guys involved in all their day-to-day activities and lots of fun stuff depending on what they want to do. Every Monday we do the cooking program. That is an awesome morning. The guys get in there and it's all very hands-on for them. They're learning new skills. We have the music going, so they're all having a good time and they're learning handy things that they can take home. They get a nice meal out of it and it's great. I used to be a chef, so for me it's great to be able to share a lot of my knowledge with these guys that they can carry on at home and in the workplace. Yeah, so that's pretty special to me. That's definitely empowering.